Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wheel of Fortune Spin ID. Enter and play step by step clearly. First, open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Wheel of Fortune and choose the official Wheel of Fortune free play app. Tap Install and wait until the download and installation are complete. Open the app and allow any basic permissions if they are required to continue. On the first screen, look for the Login, Sign In, or Spin ID option. Tap the Spin ID or Account button to open the login page. If you already have a Spin ID, select the option to sign in with email. Type your email address carefully and double-check for spelling mistakes. Enter your password and make sure Caps Lock is not turned on by accident. Tap Sign In and wait for the app to verify your account. If you see an error, re-enter your email and password and try again. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password on the same screen. Enter your email and follow the reset link or code you receive. Return to the app and sign in again using your new password. If you do not have a Spin ID, tap Create Account or Sign Up. Enter a valid email address that you can access right now. Create a strong password and save it in a secure place. Fill in any required fields like username or age confirmation if requested. Accept the terms and privacy policy only after reading them. Tap Create or Register to finish creating your Spin ID. Check your email for a verification message from the game. Open the verification email and tap the verification link to activate the account. Go back to the app and sign in with your verified email and password. After login, confirm that your profile name and progress appear correctly. If your progress is missing, open Settings and look for Restore or Account Sync. Make sure you are using the same login method you used before on your old device. From the main screen, tap Play to enter the game and start spinning. Adjust sound, notifications, and connection settings to avoid interruptions while playing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.